Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco. This is their part number RPSW16SS. This is a replacement stainless steel hinge. This is a heavy-duty forged stainless steel hinge with a stainless steel pin. And this is used on the Bilco JD-AL series units. So when you're looking at the unit in cross-section with the door open, it's going to look like this. The curb is going to be over here. The door will be here and would operate like this. Okay. This video is to serve primarily as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. And that's really what we're keying on. First of all, you have a Bilco JD-AL. And as the hinge that you're looking for look exactly like this one with these dimensional properties. Overall height of the curb leaf, about 4 inch. The door, well, let's do this. Center to center on those holes, looks like it's about 3 inch. Height of the door leaf, about just shy on 2 inch. We get down to the center on these screw holes. Okay, sorry. My hand's all over it. Well, from the one edge, backside, here we go. Looks like we're about 3/8 to the first hole and then about 1 inch and I would say 9/16 to the second hole. Okay. Center to center from these two holes looks like it's about 2 1/4 inch or so. Okay. This is going to include fasteners. You're going to have two, these are likely 3/8 stainless carriage bolts, a couple of nuts. Then you're going to get 3 flathead machine screws. Those look like they're closer to 5/16. I'm just guessing with nylon lock nuts. That's what they are. Okay. Let's switch to the screen view and let's take a closer look at some supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Now below this video we have this drawing and it shows a typical double leaf JD-AL series unit, and you'll see a reference to the hinge here. Okay. Not extremely accurate in terms of the drawing, but that's really no never mind. Here's a cross-section view here. This is called out as item 1. Item 1 on the drawing. Bilco heavy-duty forged stainless steel hinges with stainless steel pins. So, now we have some photographs linked to down below. Before we get to that, this document will also show other hardware that you may end up needing. The lifting mechanisms are here. The hold open bracket is here. Well, actually the slide track that's used to keep the door in alignment. There's going to be a track to the underside of the lid that's here, and this is going to keep it stable and in alignment so there's no twist that's happening. Okay. Also, the lock assembly is referred to here. There are some photographs that we have. That's what it looks like when it comes from the factory. Weighs 1.49 pound, by the way. Your bolt package. There's also a customer supplied photo here. Not much to see, but you can kind of see it peeking through there. So this is clearly, the issue is that this is clearly upside down. And what it would need to look like is, let's just switch it around here, flip it over. Okay, that's what it would actually look like. This is your lid, this is your sidewall. Okay, there's evidence of that hinge back here is the point. Okay, now There is also a link below this video to the manufacturer's page. Allow me to show you that. So from the item that you're looking at, this link here to the manufacturer's page, that will allow you to review not only all of the Bilco products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog that's here. Other encyclopedic documents are here. Replacement part worksheet for the water-rated J-series floor doors. Terrazzo door replacement worksheet, hold open guide, and guide arm parts information. Just if there's encyclopedic information about Bilco, this is the page where we will place it. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Now, the purpose of this video is to simply serve visual and dimensional evidence of this hinge. If this is not exactly clearly what you have, I would not recommend that you purchase this, that you actually reach out to us with photographs of your unit and we'll work to identify it. This looks very similar to a completely different manufacturer's type of hinge. In fact, if it was truncated about here, I would say it'd be possibly the same hinge. But send us that information and we'll contact that manufacturer and get the right products determined, because you want to go back with only the original equipment, the way that the unit was engineered and designed and tested with. You would not want to use anything other than what's been known to be safe and proper as a replacement product. If you have any questions on the RPSW16SS replacement hinge for the JD-AL series floor access doors or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.